applying the image matte key effect. So matte key effects are a way in which we create a hole in one clip so that the portions of another clip can be seen through the hole. In this particular case, we have an image. So the first thing we have is we have a clip down here on V1, and then we have an image of a child on V2. We're going to go over here into our effects. We're going to go into our video effects. We're going to come down into keying. I'm going to twirl out the keying, and I'm going to drag the image matte key onto the child graphic. You'll see up here in my effects, I have an image matte key. I have a button right here called Setup. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Setup, and it's going to ask me for a file. Now, just so you can see, I'm going to go and grab this file here. It's called matte.jpg. It's just a black and white image with a white image here. All right, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go with matte JPEG. I'm going to say open. And down here in the composite area using, so I'm going to choose, in this case, I'm going to choose the drop down and choose Matte Luma. And this is used for our luminance values. All right. So this will use color. So if it's just a graphic, if it was just a plain graphic, I would use the Matte Alpha. If you had transparency, with the Luma, we're going to use the luminance values, okay? Now, you can see that the picture of the child goes through now. If I come down here and hit reverse, I flip-flop that. So now I see the ocean beach clip coming through the white area of the graphic. And over here, I see the child coming through the white area of the graphic. So now when I come in, I can play. You see that I am using the matte key to be able to look through a hole in the clip to another clip. So that's what matte keys do. In this case, we are using an image to provide that hole.